So you might be having an issue with Deepseek where you're getting this type of error that basically tells you that the server is busy. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The number one reason why something like this could end up happening is because so many people are currently using Deepseek that you're basically just going to have to wait it out until they end up fixing the problem. So an easy thing you can try doing is you could try just swiping up from Deepseek like this. You could just like swipe it out, wait a few seconds, go back into it like this, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. For some people out there, it might just be something as basic as that, just literally opening it up, closing it, and then going back into it. Sometimes that might end up doing it. So try doing that, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. If that still doesn't work, the next thing I'd recommend doing is double checking your Wi-Fi connection or your cell connection or whatever you have. No matter what device you have, just double check your network connection. You want to double check your cell connection, whatever you're using. And you want to make sure those things are good too, because if those things are not good, then that might be another problem you might be running into. If you do that and that doesn't seem to be working, you can try either refreshing the page, on your internet browser if you're using Deepseek there, or go inside of Deepseek's, page inside of your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store, and you want to see if there's an update available for it. If there is an update available for it, it'll show you up here. And at that point, all you're going to have to do is basically just update Deepseek, and that should very well end up fixing the problem too. Then at that point, when you do go back into Deepseek, hopefully that problem will be fixed. If it's still not fixed, that might mean that Deepseek is having some issues right now, and you might just have to wait it out until they end up fixing that problem. So that's basically how to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.